Good morning, welcome to day 25 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. We will begin today standing at the top of the mat, feet together or hip distance apart, whatever feels most comfortable as we move through half sun salutation B, the one with chair pose. With your next inhale, bend the knees, sit back into a chair. Exhale, forward bend, release upper body down. Inhale halfway up, lengthen your spine, hands on the shins. Exhale, forward bend again, bend the knees slightly. Inhale, chair pose, reach your arms up. Exhale, mountain pose, release your arms down to the sides. Two more. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale halfway up, long spine, and exhale, fall down again. Chair pose, inhale. Mountain pose, exhale. Last one, inhale, sit as low as you can. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Chair pose, inhale. Mountain pose, exhale. Bring your palms together to your heart and lift your left knee up towards your chest. Inhale. Exhale, step your left foot back into high lunge. With inhale, sweep your arms up, lift your chest. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus your arms, stay here, breathing into your chest, pulling your elbows apart. Inhale, straighten your arms up. Exhale, lean your torso forward into power lunge. Stay here, a bit more weight in the front foot now. Inhale, back to high lunge. Exhale, warrior two, open your hips to the long edge of the mat. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle, left arm reaches up and over the head. Stay here. Press down through the back foot and lengthen through your upper arm, creating big side stretch on the left. Come back to warrior two, straighten your front leg for triangle. Reach forward with your right hand and drop it down to your shin. Left arm reaches up to the sky and look up. From triangle, lower your hands down to the inside of your front foot. Bend your right knee and straighten your back leg for lizard pose. Try to keep your back knee lifted, pushing back through your left heel. Step your left foot forward into yoga squat, toes turned out, heels in. Lower your hips down as much as you can and keep your hands on the mat or bring your palms together to your heart. Gently push your knees to open a little more with your elbows. With your next inhale, slowly come up to standing, bring your feet closer and palms to your heart. Same on the other side. Lift your right knee. Inhale. Exhale, step back into high lunge. With inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, bend your elbows and breathe here. With each inhale, trying to lift your chest a little higher into this back bend shape. With your next inhale, straighten your arms up. Exhale, lean your torso forward. Couple breaths here, keep pulling your navel in. Strong core. Inhale back to high lunge. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reach your left arm up and back, reverse warrior. Exhale, left forearm on the side, right arm up and over, side angle. A few breaths here, lengthening the right side of the body. Come back to warrior 2, straighten your front leg and reach forward with your left hand for triangle. Lower your left hand down, reach your right arm up. Couple breaths here. Release your hands down to the inside of your front foot, bend the knee, adjust your feet into lizard, press back through your back heel, keeping your back leg engaged. One more breath here. And step your right foot forward into Malasana Yoga Squat. Breathe here. One more big inhale. And exhale, release. Sit down to your mat. Keep your legs bent for reverse tabletop. Feet around hip distance apart and hands around shoulder width apart. With inhale, lift your hips up. Keep your head lifted or slowly release it back. Let it hang if that's okay for your neck. Keep squeezing the glutes, trying to lift your hips a little higher. Release your sit bones down to the mat. Straighten your right leg and place your left foot on the outside of your right thigh. Hug your left thigh with the opposite arm or hook the elbow to the outside of the knee, your choice. Gently twist to the left, look back. One more breath here. And come back to center, switch sides. Left leg straight, right foot outside of left thigh. Find your arm variation and twist to the right. Slowly untwist. Release your right leg and then bend both knees for both paws. Option to place your hands behind your knees as you lift your feet from the mat, or extend your arms forward, or even straighten your legs for a bit more intensity. Find your variation, balance on your sit bones. Try to lift up through the chest so your upper back doesn't round too much. Just one more breath here. And release. Cross your legs. And let's finish with one more breath together. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. This was day 25. I hope you enjoyed your practice, a little more dynamic today. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 26.